am here to tell you the unique story of inclusion and empowerment of smallholder innovative farmers using the potential of ICT and farm journalism. Yes, we digitized and modeled the first ever farmers reality show in the world. We called it the Karshika Nirculture. Let me take you step by step to this emulatable story of farmer inclusion for empowerment.
We gave the name Karshika Ratnam for this farmers reality show. This is an illustrated model for using ICT for farm journalism. We conceived the farmers reality show with the theme Joining the Jewels, Digital Inclusion for Empowering Smallholder Farmers through ICT and Farm Journalism. Yes, this is the story of digitization and modeling of the first ever farmers reality show on inclusion and empowerment. The Center for E-Learning digitized and modeled the first ever farmers reality show in the world. We called it the Karshika Ratnam, meaning farm jewels or Khet Ki Moti. The step-by-step story of the innovative model of Karshika Ratnam for inclusion and empowerment of farmers is as follows. As stage 1, we did the survey and screening of progressive farmers and video documentation of 20 farmsteads. All the 14 districts of Kerala were covered. As the first stage, 60 illustrious and progressive farmers were selected by discussing with the local governmental agencies like offices of the State Department of Agriculture, the Krishi Vigyan Kendras, Agricultural Research Stations, Department of Animal Husbandry, Fisheries, and a few NGOs. In stage 2, the performance details of these selected farmers were analyzed based on pre-listed criteria by using competent judges and local governmental agencies. The farmers were ranked. From these 60, the first 20 farmers were shortlisted based on their comprehensive performance. This final sample represented categories like mixed farming, livestock enterprises, commercial farming, organic farming ventures, agro-ecotourism ventures, and leased land farming enterprises. As the third stage, the 20 final shortlisted farmers and their farms were visited by the video documentation team. The farming practices were videographed and other performance details of the farmers were collected through a semi-structured interview. On each farmer, a 20 minutes video was prepared. Later on, about each farmer, a short clipping of 5 minutes duration with titling and commentary was prepared from end to end for the on-stage farmers reality show competition. As the finale, a full-day on-stage competition of the 20 finalists was arranged. The full house audience comprised about 500 farmers and extension workers drawn from different parts of the state. Following a brief inaugural function, each farmer contestant was invited for the LCD projection of his 5 minutes video clipping. The judging panel was drawn from the Agricultural University, State Department, and the farm media. The on-screen projected success stories of the contestants and their performance of the farmer in the face-to-face interview with the judging panel was evaluated. The entire stage show was video documented for reaching to all the places of the state. Finally, in the evening, a valedictory cum award distribution function was conducted. The first 3 ranked farmers were honored with certificates and attractive prizes by the Thrissur MLA Sri Therambil Ramakrishnan amid state-level reputed guests of honor. Besides the first 3 winners, all the other contestants were awarded certificates and consolation prizes sponsored by various organizations and individuals. As a follow-up of the Karshika Ratnam reality show, the entire event of the various phases, from the first field investigation to the final stage show which spanned over about 5 months in 2011-12, from end to end was released as a video documentary for wider distribution for the use of farmers and students. It turned out as a motivating and educational tool for farmers and students of agriculture. The 20 success stories were also published in the form of an illustrated book in the local language for the use of all the farmers of the state. Thus, the combination of the printed book and the digitized video became an invaluable extension cum learning tool for transfer of technology and information for the entire farming sector of Kerala. No doubt, this innovative model project has a global extrapolation domain. The Karshika Ratnam reality show, the first ever of its kind globally, can be emulated anywhere in the world to recognize, include, and empower the ever-toiling innovative farmers. This was materialized by the power of the innovative farmers who were the real jewels. We salute these great farmers. Hence, we aptly call the project Joining the Jewels, Digital Inclusion for Empowering Smallholder Farmers through ICT and Farm Journalism.